on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make $4,673.19 per week on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is simple, and I'm going to show you an unlimited traffic source that you can use to make this money without investing anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Digistore24 account. If you don't want to create an account with Digistore24, you can create an account with any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are using Digistore24. Once you create your account on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. So let me scroll down for you to see. As I scroll, you can see many categories that you can find digital products to promote. Any of the categories that you click on, you are going to find digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a category where you can get digital products to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. You can see it right here. This is the product that we are going to be promoting, the ultimate keto meal plan. This product is ranking number 1 in terms of sales on this platform. You can see the commission rate is very small, $15.15. You can see it right here. This is the amount that you are going to earn per sale. But what I do is that I use this same method to promote other products. When you scroll down, you can see I promoted this product. You can see this is my affiliate link. When I scroll down, you can see the next one right here. I promoted this product. You can see this is my affiliate link. As I scroll, you can see this one. I promoted it. This is my affiliate link. I promoted a lot of different products. I don't use this method to promote one product. So what you have to do is that you have to go through the products and then apply this same method to promote any of the products that you want. In this case, I'm just going to use this one to demonstrate for you, so that you can use the same method to promote any of the products that you want. So once you select your product, the next step is that you are going to look at the landing page of the product so that you can get some basic information about it. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is a pop-up. So this is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. You can see 30-day keto meal plan. So this is the exact thing that your potential visitors are going to see. Let me just close it. Apart from that, you can see your potential visitors are going to watch a video presentation of the product. Once they watch it, they can get access to a link where they can download free keto meal plan. So what we are going to be doing is that we are also going to promote it so that we can get people to click on our link and then get access to the product, and we are going to be earning money. So now once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you are going to come on Digistore24 so that you can get your affiliate link. You can see in my case, this is my affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to also get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the products. Once you get your affiliate link, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to drive unlimited traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy the product through your affiliate link so that you can be making money from home. The next step is that you are going to create a Gmail account. You have to create a Gmail account. Gmail accounts, it is free to create, so you have to just search for gmail.com. Once you search for it, you are going to create a new account so that you can use it for the purpose of this method. In this case, I've already created my Gmail account. You can see it right here. This is my Gmail account. You can see my email address right here, loseweight21days@gmail.com. that is my email address. Once you create your Gmail account, the next step is that you are going to open it. Once you open it, you are going to click right here, settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to select see all settings. Once you select see all settings, you are going to scroll down to the bottom. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see this setting right here, vacation responder off, vacation responder on. When you select vacation responder on, it means you want Gmail to automatically reply to messages. So anytime people send you a message, Gmail will automatically reply them with any default message that you wanted to send. So in this case, we are going to select it, vacation responder on. Once we select it, the next step is that we are going to enter a default message so that anyone who will send us a message, Gmail can automatically respond to the person with our default message. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to type our subject line right here, In this case, we are promoting a keto diet plan. You can see right here, this is the name of the product. So what you have to do is that you have to type your subject line right here. Just type something like get your keto meal plan now, something like this. Get your keto meal plan now. Once you enter your subject line, the next step is that you are going to type a default message right here. So you can type a call to action, or you can type a message, whatever that you want. You can type it right here. In this case, we are going to type a call to action. So you are going to type something like click the link below to get access to your keto meal plan, something like this. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on this website, tinyurl.com. Once you are on the website, what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste it right here, you are going to click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on it, you can see it has been shortened. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy your link, you can either paste it right here, or you can insert it in a text. You can type something like get it here, something like this. Once you type it like this, the next step is that you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight the text, click on the link. Once you click on link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people click on this link, they are going to get access to the product. So once you have made your settings, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save changes. Once you have saved the changes, you can see it right here. This is the settings. So anytime people send you a message, Gmail is going to automatically respond to them with your default message. So now once you have made your email settings, the next step is that you're going to come on this website, postermyworld.com. On this website, you can create any kind of design that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can create a design. So just click right here, login. Once you click on login, you can create an account with your Gmail accounts. You can use your Facebook, or you can create it using your email accounts. So just select any of them that you want. Once you create your accounts and login, you're going to see a page like this. If you want, you can watch a video tutorial on how to use this website. In this case, I'm not going to watch the video. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, templates. Once you click on template, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to search for any kind of template that you want. In this case, we are going to search for keto diet template. Just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see a lot of different designs with keto diet. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then customize it the way you want. You can see a whole lot of different designs that you can select. In this case, I'm going to select this design right here. So just click right here to customize it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the design. You can edit anything that you want. You can change the images, you can change the text. In this case, the information on it is what we want, so we are not going to edit the information right here. If you want the colors, you can click on it and then select any color that you want. You can change a lot of different things. You can see text, elements, photo, whatever that you want, you can select that. You can see the background color. You can click on it and then select any of them that you want. If you want transparent, you can do that. Gradient, solid color, whatever that you want, you can select that. In this case, we are not going to edit anything. What we are going to do is that we are going to change this website. Instead of this website, we are going to paste our Gmail address right here. So we have to delete this website so that we can paste our Gmail right here. Once we paste it, anytime people see this flyer, they can send us an email to get access to the keto meal plan. Once they send us an email, our Gmail is going to automatically respond to them. So we are going to delete this website. Just delete it and then paste your Gmail address right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is my Gmail address. If you want, you can just highlight it and then increase the size. You can see you can increase the size right here. So just increase it the way you want. You can decrease it or increase it. In this case, I'm going to increase it like this. Once you have your Gmail address inserted right here, the next step is that you are going to download the flyer. To download it, you are going to click right here, download. Once you click on download, you can see basic image. If you want to download it for free, you are going to select the basic image. If you want to pay, you can click right here and then select the premium versions. In this case, we are not going to pay for anything. So just download the basic image. To download it, click right here, download. As you can see right here, the image has been downloaded to my device. Once you have downloaded the flyer, the next step is that you are going to promote it so that you can get many people to send you an email to request for the free keto meal plan. When you come back on the product landing page, you can see they are going to get the keto meal plan for free before they purchase it in 7 days. We are telling them that they can get it for free. We are not deceiving them. To promote your flyer, you can use Facebook. What you have to do is that you have to join related Facebook groups so that you can promote your flyer to get a lot of people to send you an email so that they can get access to the product through your affiliate link. On Facebook, you can search for keto diet groups. So just search for keto diet groups so that you can join those groups. Just search for keto diet. Once you search for keto diet, click right here, groups, so that you can find a lot of different groups. Once you search for groups, you can see this is a keto diet group. You can see it has a lot of members. You can see the next one, it has many members. You can see this one, it has many members. This one has a lot of members. There are many of them that you can join to promote your flyer. You can see a whole lot of them. So just click on those that you want to join so that you can promote your flyer. You can see many of them. In this case, I have joined a few of them. I'm a member of this, I'm a member of this, I'm a member of this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use one of them to demonstrate for you to see. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be using this one. Just click on the group so that you can open it. Once you open the group, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to promote your flyer. To promote your flyer, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, photo/video. Once you open the group, the next step is that you are going to promote your flyer. You can see right here, most of the members of this group are from the United States. You can see United Kingdom. So you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, photo/video, so that you can upload your flyer. Once you click on that, you are going to select your flyer, click on open. Once you click on that, you can see this is your flyer. So when you scroll down, you can see everything. So you can see your Gmail accounts right here. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste some text here so that you can grab the attention of the members. So you are going to write some text right here about keto. In this case, I have my text, so let me just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you can see my text here, keto diet plan, a simple guide to getting started. So that is the text. You can see the guide, just some few steps. You can see everything. Once that is done, you can see this is my image. So the group members will see the text, and once they read it, they can see the flyer. Once they see the flyer, my email address is right here. They can send me an email. Once they send it, Gmail is going to automatically respond to them. I don't need to type anything. Gmail will do the work for me. Once you have your post, just click right here, post, so that you can post it to the members. You can see right here, your post has been submitted to group admins for approval. Within some few minutes, your post is going to be approved because there's no link in your post. So the administrators will approve it so that the members can send you an email. Once they send it, Gmail will send them the link of the product so that they can purchase it for you to make money. You can see this is the post. Once the administrator approves it, the members can see the post. So what you have to do is that you have to repeat these same steps in other groups so that you can get many people to send you an email to get access to the product. Apart from Facebook, you can also promote your flyer on Instagram. You are going to come on Instagram, click right here, create. Once you click on create, you can upload your flyer so that you can promote it on Instagram. Once you click on create, you can see select from computer, drag photos and videos. Just click on it, select your flyer, click on open so that your flyer can be uploaded. You can see it right here. Just click on next so that you can post your flyer onto Instagram. Once you post it, many people are going to see it so that they can send an email request to get access to the product. Once they send an email request, Gmail will automatically reply them. Once Gmail reply them, they can get access to the link and then purchase the product. Once you post your flyer on Instagram and Facebook, you can also post it on emga.com. This is a free platform that you can use to promote any image that you have. You can see this image right here. It has got 8k views. You can see this one has got 9k views. You can see this one has got 14k views. So if you promote your flyer here, you are going to be getting a lot of people who will view it and then send you an email. Once they send the email, Gmail will automatically respond to them with your default message. Many of the stars here are getting thousands of views. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote your flyer here for free. Just click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you can upload the image and you are going to be getting a lot of views. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money using this strategy. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.